Hello everyone. Today I'll explain to you guys about the nationalities and the oppressed people in Iran. As you can see on this map, there are several minorities in Iran, includes the Turkish Azerbaijani people. Their population number is estimated at 23 million people, about the 36% of the population in Iran, and its presence is concentrated especially in northwestern Iran. We have the Kurdish people, then the Persian nationalism with 21 million people, which spreads over the largest area of the country. As you can see, at the southwest in a green color are the Ahwazi Arab people in Iran. They are the third in terms of population size with an estimated population of 12 million people. Our speech today is not going to be about statistics. I'm going to talk about the suffering of these ethnicities in 3 points. 1. Persecution. 2. Deprivation. And 3. Racial discrimination at the educational, cultural, historical, and religious levels. Not only that, but it also exceeded their contempt and humiliation on the technical and official media levels, especially against the Ahwazi Arabs. Let's take a look at the importance of this region geographically and strategically. Due to its strategic location bordering Iraq and the Arabian Gulf, it was taken over by Iran in agreement with Britain in 1925. As you can see in the black color are the oil fields. This region is the richest in Iran in terms of natural resources such as oil, gas, water, agriculture, and many other resources. According to studies, Ahwaz contains between 85 to 90% of the oil and gas reserves in Iran. Yet, the Ahwazi people live in abject poverty. The Ahwazi Arabs in Iran suffer from denial of their identity. The region name was changed by the Iranian government in the 1936 from Arabistan to Khuzestan. This was done to deny their Arab identity in the region. As you can see on the left map, the region has been separated into 3 states: Khuzestan, Bushehr, and Hormuzgan. This is to obliterate the Arab identity and separate its people from one another, also to have free control on oil and gas resources. The Iranian security services arrested hundreds of Ahwazi young due to their activities in the field of promoting Arab culture and organizing cultural events to preserve the Arabic identity in the face of Iranian government systematic forced assimilation of Arabs in Iran. Iran has only one official language, and no mother tongue in the education system is allowed. Even activists from all minority groups have subjected to persecution for demanding the implementation of the Article 15 and 19 in the Iranian constitution, which refers to the right of minorities to study in their language. Speaking in Arabic in a classroom between students is forbidden. So not only studying in mother tongue is forbidden, not only speaking in Arabic leads to discrimination and punishment, but even teachers from local areas are not appointed in the region. In the meantime, and I will conclude with this, after the Iranian government started drying up rivers and water resources in Ahwaz, besides its forcible displacement policies against the Ahwazi Arabs, the people went down to the streets and started protesting, demonstrating to get their full basic human rights, including water. But the Iranian forces used live ammunition against the protesters, killing around dozens of people and arresting hundreds. They also started fires and destroying the public properties. There is much to say about Iran's repressive regime, but at the end, I hope the United Nations will take a quick step to eliminate racial discrimination around the world and especially in Iran. Thank you.